All right, here we go. One thing I do have is a little bit of a tram lining issue, and I think it's because of the bad suspension. I mean, it could be tires too, but I'm gonna guess it's the suspension based on the fact that it's like 5 or 6 years old and it only costs $500, and that's Canadian, so you know, you're talking like less than $400 American for a set of coilovers. Doesn't matter where you are, that's cheap. They weren't really supposed to be used for more than a year, but here we are and they're still here. They're not terrible, but they're squishy. Now we got to keep it quiet because the gas station is right near the cop shop. So we will just coast by. And a trick for anybody who's not aware, if your car pops and you don't have it tuned to do it, but you know that it's going to when you let off the gas, left foot brake when you let off the gas. And if it doesn't stop it from popping, it will muffle it. Because the engine's not free spinning anymore, you're braking, so it is on a harder decel. And we're just gonna cruise casual. That was a little paranoid. A cop pulled up sideways right along the back of me. I thought he was getting out, and then he pulled forward to back in at the pump behind me. And I had to fire the car up like bumper to bumper. We're in the clear, boys. We made it. Oh, my heart was going for a second there. He pulled right up and I was like, oh no, here we go. I've been seeing so many videos of people in Toronto getting pulled over and cars impounded for some of the dumbest things. So, you know, I always get a little worried, even though I'm not in the city. You never know who you're gonna get pulling you over. Now, normally I scream under this overpass, but we're not going to do that this time. Watch out, bird. Woo! I was about this close to running a bird over that did not move. Oh, the sun beams again. It's beautiful. I don't like the fast burble. For some reason, fifth on the highway always sounds good, but any other gear down low, it sounds bad. So, something I gotta try and figure out how to tune to slow it down and make them a little more spaced out and crisp. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am going to continue to try and improve at these types of videos, bring you guys more entertainment, get more engaged, and just have some fun with it. So, I mean, what else can I say? It was a beautiful day, great drive. I think we're gonna wrap that up. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And, you know, remember, drop a comment below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.